Welcome all, my name is Edward, and today I will be showing you how to download, install, and then get running the K9 Packet Sniffer software. So to begin, I currently have a freshly installed virtual machine up, and to kind of go from the very beginning, so we're going to download Python, Node.js with React, any IDE, in this case Visual Studio Code, as well as SQL with SSMS during the installation, and I'll go ahead and skip over to when we finish installing everything. So now that we have everything downloaded, let's go ahead and run a command on command prompt that will allow us to create the necessary React folder to run the file. Perfect. And we should be able to go over and look at it now. And after running the command shown here that may take a few minutes to finish loading, you'll see that the correct folder is created within the user's admin directory. We can open that, and we have all the necessary files in order to run the program. So once all the necessary source code files and the Sniffer API is taken from the final deliverable, you can go ahead and open any IDE, but in specific I'll be using Visual Studio Code to open the folder and the source code. Now, as you can see here, we have all of our source code downloaded, as well as our Sniffer API, which is required to run the program. The next thing we're going to do now is install all the dependencies required to run the program, like npcap, scapi, psutil, and so on. Once all the dependencies have been installed using either pip or so on, as well as the web vitals dependency for React, you should be able to just start the program from the source folder as shown below. And there we go. However, this isn't the end of the setup. We also have to set up the database itself so we can run the authentication API. Once on SSMS or SQL Server Management Studio, if SQL Express was downloaded correctly, you should be able to connect to it using the following format. And from here, you should be able to run the following queries that will be shown. And as you can see, the table should show up once the queries are run. Now once the database is set up, all that's left to do is make sure everything is up and running. So all we have to do is run both APIs and then start the software. We do that by opening 3 separate command prompts. Open those, and then guiding them to the correct path where the file is located. as you can see, it should be all set up. As for the actual use guide, you could go ahead and go to the next video. Thank you.